Specialty Gear Drives specializes in emergency industrial gearbox repairs and rebuilds, including precision gear manufacturing, pump and hydraulic repairs. We are trusted by the cement, plastic, and the agriculture plants across the South, providing gearbox repairs and rebuilds for OEMs such as Falk, Flender, Bonfiglioli, Lufkin, Western, Link-Belt, and more. At Specialty Gear Drives, we get it done fast and we get it done right. We stand behind every repair with a 2-year warranty. We also provide pickup delivery and free quotes. Specialty Gear Drives serves the Southeast United States, including Miami, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Baton Rouge, Nashville, Washington, D.C., and more. For more than 25 years, we've kept America's hardline industry running one precision gear at a time. Call me directly with questions about emergency industrial gearbox repair. And to learn more about our free quotes, our free pickup, our free delivery at any location across the U.S. Specialty Gear Drives, certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair. Thank you.
Gear by gear we fix, we win. Specialty Gear Drives running the show. Fix it up fast, let the power flow. Free quotes calling, we're always near. 24 months, we've got your gear.